Google Search and ChatGPT are two of the most popular AI-powered search engines in the world. While both platforms are designed to help users find information, there are some key differences between them that set them apart from one another. In this video, we'll explore these differences and compare the two platforms in terms of functionality, accuracy, and overall user experience. Functionality. Google Search is a classic search engine that helps users find websites, images, and more with its ranking algorithm and relevant results based on user queries. It offers features like autocomplete, spell correction, and personalized search results. ChatGPT is an AI-powered language model that helps users find information by interacting with them in natural language. It uses advanced machine learning to understand the context of a user's query and provide relevant information, allowing for a conversational experience where users can ask follow-up questions. Accuracy. Google Search and ChatGPT both have their pros and cons in terms of accuracy. Google Search is highly accurate due to its algorithm and vast information, but accuracy may be affected by website ranking and information quality. ChatGPT provides accurate information based on context, but its accuracy may depend on the quality of training data. ChatGPT provides accurate information by using context and understanding the meaning of words, providing more relevant results than Google Search. However, accuracy may be impacted by training data quality. User experience. Google Search is easy to use with its simple search bar, but lacks the conversational aspect of ChatGPT, making it less engaging for users. ChatGPT offers a more engaging user experience by allowing users to interact with the platform in a conversational manner, making information finding more enjoyable and less tedious. In conclusion, both Google Search and ChatGPT offer differing experiences and functionality as AI-powered search engines. Google is more accurate and easy to use, while ChatGPT offers a more engaging and conversational experience. The best platform for a user depends on their specific needs and preferences.